Hey guys, I'm Steven and welcome to Point A Adventures. Behind me is our first cargo trailer conversion. Now we've been working on this thing for about 3 to 4 weeks. And in this video, we're gonna walk you through where we are in the build and everything that needs to get done to get this thing on the road. Now our plan is to take our first journey in about 3 to 4 days. So there's an awful lot to do on this trailer. For everyone who's been watching Point A Adventures, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and supporting our channel. And if you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe. For those of you who haven't been watching, this is a 14 by 7 foot trailer. It's built by Covered Wagon. I'll give you a little shot of the exterior. We did add AC, as you can see on the top. We added the RV door, and we added these two RV windows. Now where we are in the build, the first hurdle is electrical. We can't seem to get the lights working. Now all the outlets work, refrigerator works, but any lights just aren't working. So we're gonna mess with electrical today. Also, as you can see, there's a lot of detail that needs to get done. Some of that will get done in the next few days, and some of it's just gonna have to wait until after we get back from our first journey. Like I said, we're leaving for 3 to 4 weeks, and we're leaving Wednesday. Today's Saturday. One of the other big things is this bathroom. We need to finish the door. I'll be doing the painting today, the primer and paint today. And we also need to figure out how to drain this sink into this bathroom. So the plan is to come off this pipe and go through this wall. One of the issues we're having is this line feeds the sink, and this goes right into one of our jerry cans. So it's a little tight in here. We also need to house a battery backup for our refrigerator as we're going down the road. So this cabinet is a lot of our utilities, and it's gonna get full really fast. Another project that I'm not sure if it'll get done before we leave is this back porch area. We do have jacks that go under so we can make it level to make like a hangout deck. We also have legs that go up in the corners that hold a net that would keep the dogs in. And we also have a rug that we're gonna Velcro onto this surface. So the first thing is gonna be to clean it, because during construction it got to be a mess. And then we'll start trying to figure out this area. That's another thing that may have to happen after this first trip. This is the bathroom door. I'm gonna prime one side, flip it, wait for that to dry, prime the other side, flip it, paint, wait for that to dry, flip it again, paint the other side. Hopefully all that gets done before our contractor gets here and wants to reinstall it.
Here's Steven painting and priming the edges, trim, bathroom, door, bathroom door. And then we have a few more things left. Our contractor's coming in today to fix some of the things that are not working. And then the rest should be more decorative and putting things together to leave on Wednesday.
I think we'll be working all up until the last minute on Tuesday.
Yeah.
You know, hanging TVs, curtains, packing up.
Returning stuff that didn't work.
A full court press.
It really has been a lot of work.
A little bit of an update. I did get everything primed and painted today. You know, that wall in the kitchen and all the trim. Makes a big difference when everything's painted uniform. So I'm glad that we got all that done. Back on? It's like half my weight. So, this is the wrong size ball for this trailer. Again. So I bought the 2 5/16 and the person that delivered it had a 2-inch ball. I don't know how he did that. I guess just the pressure kept it on there. And I went to test this size today. I returned the 2 5/16 and got the 2-inch, and I just tested it, and it's too small. So I'm gonna have to return yet another ball to make this work. So another step in the wrong direction. So where are we with the trailer?
Oh, it feels like we step 1 foot up and 2 or 3 back every day. Every day I'm hoping there was going to be a lot more progress, and there hasn't been. And I think this is like what happens when you try and build something for yourself and customize it. It's just you're working out the kinks, and you're going through a lot of mistakes and things that you should have done better, and you just don't know what you're going to get into until you get into it. So it's part of the journey, I guess. And we'll take it one day at a time. We have literally 2 days to get everything done before we have to leave. Pack it up, organize, clean it. Let's hope we get to do that.
Like Gina said, this is Sunday. Frustrations are mounting a little bit. I'm doing yet another run to try to get the correct hitch size, or ball size this time. And yeah, we basically have Monday and Tuesday to get this whole thing put together. And right now, it's not looking 100%, let's put it that way. 2 stops in and have not been able to find the trailer ball size and setup that I need with the right drop, the right ball size, blah, blah, blah. And continued to get frustrated for a second. And then I thought to myself, without a little bit of trials and tribulations, things like this wouldn't be worth it. So I'm gonna flip it and get positive and know that we will get on the road eventually, and we will have an amazing trip. So trying to stay positive, people. Well, we have today and tomorrow, and what's happening today, or what just happened, was covering this back ramp, and we installed these table legs. They just fold up when we get to where we want to go, and then we can put netting here to keep the dogs on our porch. We have Arlen in there securing the bed so it doesn't fly around when we're driving, and we just have to get to the bottom of the electrical issue. Once that's all done, hopefully tomorrow's a big packing day. So the biggest issue was resolved today. The lights, the power. And these are actually really cool because you can change the color temperature, and they're dimmable, and they're made for this. So that was a huge thing. We also got the TV installed, and also figured out how to keep the dogs in the back porch. So things are coming together. We're to the point now where we just have to clean and pack everything up, and we'll be ready to hit the road on Wednesday, I hope. You ready to see?
Yeah.
It's looking better. Every time we walk in, it's looking better.
I love it. It's a small thing, but they look like so much more homier. Oh my God, I love it.
You see how we lost a little bit of window?
It's okay.
I guess that's what curtains were, right?
Oh my God, you put the mattress already.
I had to because I had to stand on something.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, all the turmoil that we went through for a few days now paid off. It really actually all came together today. We still have a couple of more things to do, and I want to be my little decorator. Like that's, I want to put this together like a little home, which is going to be our little home on wheels. So I'm really excited. I think it came out great. What do you think?
I love it. I love that there's, unlike, if anyone's seen our channel with our van, the van didn't have any floor space. We wanted this floor space for the dogs and just to feel comfortable. So we got The curtains hung up today, and the ramp is now covered with a similar material, like a woven material.
So cool because it looks very homey and it matches everything else. It's really cool.
And when it folds down, that's our decking. So yeah, and here's the bed. The bed kind of separates kitchen and living area from the bedroom area. Got the TV up. We're rocking. It looks like we just might take this trip.
I'm so excited. One more day.
One more day. We'll get this completely set up tomorrow, and we'll wrap this video up. Keep watching. Before it rains, I want proof that we start off with a clean truck, and we even washed the trailer. So they're gonna look great together, all blacked out. We are doing some finishing touches. Gina's working inside. Yeah, she looks great, or I should say he looks great when he's clean. We have christened the cargo trailer Mr. Gypsy, so I gotta get used to saying he instead of she. Well, since Gina put all the final touches on our cargo trailer conversion, I thought it'd be appropriate for her to walk us through everything that she did.
So, super exciting. These lights we found a long time ago on Amazon, and they're great because we have dogs, and whenever they need to get out and do their business at night, these act like flashlights, and they're magnetic, and they look super cute. I realized that when I started doing the decor, that this is basically a mini version of our house, right?
Same color palette.
Yeah, same color palette.
But we're black, white, and tan people, I guess.
Yeah, we really are. So,
do you want me to show this?
yeah, if you want to show this area
So
right
behind
here.
me is kind of the corner that's been a little odd to deal with. It's the nose of the trailer, so it's a V-nose trailer. But what we did for now is put some hooks up here, obviously for coats, hats, dog leashes, and over here we have some storage. You know, we took that odd kind of corner and turned it into a storage area. There's my pocket knife.
There you go. Later on, what we're gonna do, this is going to change a little bit, but like Steven said, it's better to go a little bit empty and then later on really find our nooks and crannies of what we want and what we need. This might be a table later on, we'll figure it out. But for now, leashes, coats, hats, great area, nooks here. These might have nets later on. This is an amazing sink from Amazon that came in with the bottom piece, so there's no scratch, and then this piece, and then
Great drying rack, cutting board.
And a cutting board. These were also from Amazon. I thought they were so cute. We could put fruits there, vegetables. That was also from Amazon. Amazing stuff. And then these little great spice holders that are magnetic. Hopefully they're not going to fly off. Our refrigerator, of course.
And by the way, we will put links to everything in this video to our Amazon.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments below what is your favorite little thing that I did here. We had this at home actually, and I brought this from home as well. I thought it would be such a beautiful touch. We have a bigger one at the house, and then going with the theme of black and white, this is our bed. This is from IKEA. The bedding is from IKEA as well. And this bed actually was great because we thought we would not use the drawers, but we actually loaded up our stuff with the drawers and everything fit. And here's our little TV.
Show them how the bed pulls out.
Sure.
Yeah, we just got the TV up and running.
So this is the drawers. Oh, if you want to do the whole pull out, it's going to go everywhere.
What will?
So this is basically two mattresses.
Okay, yeah,
and by
that's
pulling
fine.
this out,
Yeah, it turns the whole back area into one big bed.
Correct.
So we're not gonna be snowed up into this little thing. We'll have double the space to sleep in.
right, basically the bed's going to come out all the way to that wall over there and stay leveled. So it's a twin bed, but one is not lower than the other. It's level into, I believe, a full or a queen. Hopefully our dogs will leave us alone, but I doubt it. I think they're going to jump in there too.
Happens.
And then this rug to throw it all together. And I think I need a second rug here on top. And I think for now we're pretty much done, and we'll keep adding on little by little.
Yeah, so I'll just close by saying thanks for watching this episode.
Yes.
But we are hitting the road tomorrow. We are locked and loaded. We are super excited. So keep following Point A Adventures and like, subscribe, share with everybody.
Do all the things
to
help us out.
Help spread the word, because this is kind of a turning point for Point A Adventures. From here on out, there's going to be a lot more coming.
Can't wait.